self-employed, you need the bank law NBV, and by you need to provide school fee invoices, please. But for you, you got some school materials, some airfares, invoices, or something where you know any school related, you know picking up also small invoices, no? You can really get one cover letter for concerning estimate cost for school materials for you. You submit in like an invoice for school fee for you, blah blah blah, like putting together, blah blah total cost for you. So you for any people customer scenario, you will look at one regular income, whether you currently salary every month, every 2 weeks. You think you have a apply. Salary bill, when you pay become the National Bank account, and by you need your current school invoice, fee invoice bill, any school related material, you need your make one letter blow, again estimated cost to you, means the other school fee cost to you, and submit anything. You got an employment confirmation letter, 3 reasons payslip, all invoice for you, covering letter blow, on school materials for you. And suppose you got loan any Nara place, any Nara financial institution, CNPF or any Nara commercial bank, you need your submitting 3 months statement. 3 months statement loan due. So remember your requirements when you go through here. One exciting something about school fee loan for the union. We got prizes, your winnings, and book club prizes. We got 3 major prizes, your winnings. Every successful applicant will